Hi, welcome again to Wealthy. Today, I want to talk about negative gearing. So, many people have heard of it. A lot of people don't know what it really is. So, what is it? That's when the cost of holding an investment, and it's usually a property in Australia. So, when the cost of holding that property is more than the income received. So, an example here would be the costs such as the interest on the loan that you've used to buy the property, rates, rental agent costs, repairs and maintenance are more than the rent that you are receiving on the property. So there's a loss or a negative result. Thus, it's called negative gearing. How does it work? And why are people so attracted to it? So basically, that loss or the negative return can be used to reduce other taxable income, thus reducing the overall negative effect or loss on the property or asset. So what are the pros? Tax benefits. So remember, though, that although you are able to use the loss or the negative return to reduce other taxable income and therefore pay less tax on that income, you're still actually paying to hold the property. Not as much as if you didn't get the tax deduction, but you are still in a negative position. So people forget that. Long-term capital gains, the major thing that people are looking for when they're buying investment properties and gearing them is to have long-term capital gain that would outweigh the short-term losses that are incurred along the way. And negative gearing also encourages investment, thus arguably having more property available for rent and easing off the housing crisis that we hear so often about. Well, the cons, downsides, again, reliant on one lumpy asset to grow in value and provide future wealth. It takes time and effort. So if you've got an investment property, it's not just a case of leaving it there and letting it do its own thing. It needs to be managed, it needs to be repaired. You need to keep your accounting in order so that you can do your tax return, all that sort of stuff. And it can cause some worry and stress from time to time. Anyway, like anything, make sure you do your homework before you invest in property and negative gear it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share on whatever platform it is that you're watching, and let your friends and family know about us. Thanks. Talk next time.